There are the students from few universities are also there. So I would like to mention the names of the schools first. Uh, from Ambarwali School, Manjanadi, they have sent a large gathering, and we have students from Hira School, again a large number of students, Hira School, Tokoto, St. Anne's Pew College, Srinivas University, Sacred Heart College, and the students from BIT Polytechnic, Berries Institute of Emerging Sciences, and Berries Integrated Pre-University College. So the gathering is more. I extend a warm welcome to you, the students first. And at the outset, I would like to welcome the dignitaries on the dais one by one. We have amidst us Mr. Anis Kuti, the founder and director of Anis Defence Career Institute, Pune, as well as sir is having Kutti's Academy Private Limited, Anis Pedia Education Dubai, kind of organizations. A warm and pleasing welcome to you, sir. Staff, who is the admin at Anis Academy, Pune. A pleasing welcome to you, ma'am. I extend a warm and hearty welcome to our chairman, Mr. Syed Muhammad Beri. It is whose passion to conduct this kind of program at our campus. A warm welcome to you, sir. I extend heartfelt welcome to Mr. Abdul Latif, principal of our Berries Integrated Pre-University College. Also, I welcome Professor Muhammad Sinan, Head of Computer Science Department of BIT, as well as he is the coordinator of this program. A warm welcome to you, Professor Sinan. So, as far as this program is concerned, there are many faculty members, HODs, and students, and non-teaching staff. So many are there. A warm welcome to you all too. So, this program we have organized because to give one awareness regarding the defense examinations and various opportunities in defense, because many of us are having the passion to serve the nation, but however the opportunities we did not get, or the awareness about the programs of how to write the examinations, these possibilities and the opportunities. So that is why we are conducting this program. We have an eminent person here who is Mr. Anis Kuti. I am happy in introducing him to the dais and the audience. He is the founder director of Anis Defence Academy, and as well as he is a highly respected educator, visionary leader, and founder of multiple educational institutions, including Anis Defence Career Institute, Kutti's Academy Private Limited, Anis Pedia Education Dubai, and Evergreen Education Foundation. With over 36 years of long dedicated service in education, he has guided thousands of students, including 700 plus achievers in India's defense forces, through his innovative approach, ideation to education. He is widely recognized as a revered defense career counselor specializing in NDA coaching, National Defense Academy, and his institute ADCI is one of the India's top centers of defense exam preparation. As a teacher trainer and international career counselor, he has conducted numerous impactful training programs enhancing teaching quality across cities. Known for his innovation in mathematics through the creation of SATAs, mathematical shortcuts, he has helped eliminate maths fear among learners. Described as a polymath, aphorist, and a pragmatic think tank, Anis Kuti is admired for blending creativity, knowledge, and real-world insight to reshape modern education and inspire purposeful learning. So we are very happy to have such an eminent personality here as the resource person to guide our students on about how to face the defense examination as well as the various career opportunities. Once again, I welcome all the dignitaries on the dais and the students of the dais for this program. So I request all the students to give your fullest attention to the program. It's going to be till 12 o'clock or so. We are going to have this. Give your fullest attention and take the full benefit out of the program. Thank you. Thank you.
Who knows the way and shows the way. We have amongst us our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Syed Mohammad Bari. I invite him to give the opening remarks and the preamble to Anis sir's talk.
Begin in the name of God, the most merciful and beneficent. When you look at Anis, he looks like a Pakka Mullah, ready for a masjid to give the khutbah, right? But this Mr. Anis Kuti, he got a multiple talent. You know, he is truly a mullah in the sense of, you know, the Islamic learning and all that aspect. But when he start coaching about mathematics, you will wonder, who is this gentleman? Having a different perception altogether, different persona altogether. And when it comes to defense, he is absolutely a pole star. So that is what our fortune today, that we got Mr. Anis Kuti among us. Personally, I would like to thank you for coming and welcome you for this, you know, maiden venture. What we have been aspiring from last about 7-8 years. Along with Anis, we have Dr. Sadaf, you know, a smart lady. Her daughter is taking rest now. Otherwise, she would have also come now, sitting next to Sadaf's place. And she is basically a what doctor? A homeopath. She is a homeopath, you know, but she is into the education. So what it shows today, it's not necessary that if you are a doctor, you need to be a doctor always. If you are an engineer, you need to be an engineer always. You know, it is a multi-pronged approach. Before I continue my talk and the purpose of today's, this gathering, I would like to know how many of students have come from outside. You know, like Srinivasa University. I heard in Srinivasa University. Will you please stand up? How many have come from Srinivasa University? Srinivasa University? They are on the way. Okay, then Hira, from Hira, how many have come? Okay, and then from where? Manjanadi? Huh? Amber Valley, Manjanadi? Amber Valley, Manjanadi. Okay. And which one? Who are Srinivasa University? Sacred Heart. Sacred Heart. Okay, good. See, the idea here, I must tell you the context. You know, I must tell you the context. Why I have been talking about the defense opportunity. ಈ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಬಹಳ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತು ನಾವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹಾಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ and then after the degree our mind is always about a job, either a job or a business. And for a Mangalorean, the moment they get the degree in their hand, they want to, you know, fly over to Dubai or Saudi or Gulf country. So this is the normal way, right? Am I right? Yeah, I'm saying that's the normal way, right? It is true also. I'm not blaming for that. But what I want to say, every job will give you the money. Every job will give you the salary. Some job small salary, some job maybe a big salary. But a job will give you salary. Am I right? Yes. What else it can give? A job, what else it can give? ಸಂಬಳ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ what else will give? Tell me, I want an interactive way. I don't want to be I want to have a dialogue, not a monologue. I talk and you listen. I don't want that. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಸಂಬಳ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ, other than money, other than salary, what else it gives? Tell me, what else it gives? Say it. Say, baby, say it. What it gives? It gives? Say loudly, please. No, give them a mic. Give them a mic, please. What you said? Admiration. Experience. Okay. Other than the job gives the experience. Correct. You are right. Send that this one mic, 1 or 2 mic. Because it is required later also. Mr. Anish Kuti also not a a monologue person. He's a dialogue person. He believes in interaction. So in addition to the job, in addition to the salary, it gives experience. Right? What else? What else it gives? It gives what else? It gives respect. It gives respect in the family, in the friend circle. Yes, it gives respect also. Okay, and then you become whoever is the salary gainer, whoever is employed and get the salary. You become a source of help and support to your entire family. Okay, so you get your salary and then you also get a designation. Every job you get a designation. You can be a team leader, you can be a team member, you can be a director, you can be a managing director, you can be a HR head, you can be a finance head. So these are, so one, you get a job, along with the job you get a salary, you get a designation, you get experience, and you get a, what you said? You get, no, one more word you used now.
Respect.
Respect. Don't confuse me. I'm very clear what I want to. If I don't get, I will ask and I will wait. Okay, it is respect. Now I will tell you the difference between all job vis-a-vis a different job. Different job also give you the job. It gives a fantastic salary. Okay, and it gives, you can make a best of career in your lifespan. It gives all that, and it gives a great opportunity that is only a different job can give, to work for the nation. You understand what it gives? What is difference here? It gives an opportunity to work for the nation. No other job will give you that.
And the discipline.
And then what nation? You try to understand about the nation. Believe me, in the whole world, there is no nation can come close to India. There is no nation. You may talk of America, UK, Europe and all that. Believe me, they are all in receiving end. They are all in receiving end. In a school atmosphere, some student comes with a gun, he shoots his classmates. That is a life there. There is no family life. There is no peace and the contentment. There is no cohesiveness. But in India, everything you have, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, what is a beautiful nation is this? That's the reason Iqbal has said, "Sare jahan se acha Hindustan hamara." So what do you get? You get a job, you get a salary, you get a designation, and you get an opportunity to serve the nation. And the last thing is, you see, if I'm an engineer, I get an engineer's job, I have my son, so my name is Syed Bari, they will say he's a Mazhar Bari. Mazhar got Ismail, he say Ismail Bari. Correct, no? Syed Bari, Mazhar Bari, Ismail Bari. But if I was in a defense sector, and as a child, I must tell you, as a child, my aspiration to become a fighter, that is in Air Force. That was my ambition. Of course, unfortunately, that did not happen. I could not even complete my college, so I am a school dropout. That's a different thing. But if I was, had I become a pilot in the Air Force, then I am not Syed Bari. They will say he's a pilot Syed Bari. And Mazhar Bari, they will not say Mazhar Bari. A pilot Sahib Maga Pauru. Pilot Ravara Mummaga Yuru. Pilot Navara Marimammaga Yuru. That is the difference, in defense. You understand this point? You are laughing. You must give the big round of applause on that. So the most important thing in the defense sector is this. You will be always recognized by your profession. Not necessarily you need to be a pilot or a colonel or a general and etc. Even you are a havaldar. Of course, after the degree, there is no question of havaldar. Even a havaldar, jana ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ North Karnatakaದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು havaldar ಮೊಮ್ಮಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So that is a respect, that is a regard we have for a defense sector. That is one aspect. Number two, you join defense sector, you work for 5, 10, 15 years, you suppose you realize that no, I don't want to continue in the defense, you can always resign from your job, and you will get hundreds of opportunity in the private sector. Because when it comes to, whenever we take an interview, if there is any retired defense guy, he gets the first preference. If he's a defense guy, then we don't bother. Because in a defense, few things are, you can take on a face value. First is, any defense man, he's a disciplined man. Any defense man is a disciplined man. Second is, in the defense, there is no kamchor. In defense, you will never find any kamchor. They're all always alert. They're always full, they're full vigor, and they will work from day to, 24/7. There are cases in defense, and today, defense is not only, securing our nation, fighting at the border. Defense people, like recently, in many places, flood happened. In Assam and, northern part of India, in Kerala, many places. Who's the first one to go and help those victims? The first one is the defense people. First one is the defense people. The army guys are the first one to go and establish the bridge. They have a technique of arranging a bridge in a few hours. Then comes helicopter. They come and they pick up the people who are in the midst of a flood area. So defense is not only fighting for the nation. Defense is also safeguarding the nationals. They safeguarding the people. You understand? So the respect and the regard. So it means you get a job, you join the defense sector, you make a successful career, you serve the nation and leave a legacy. Leave a legacy for generation to come. ಸೊ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ತಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದರೆ ಬರೇ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬರೇ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಳ ಅಲ್ಲ, ತಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಸಂಬಳದೊಂದಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಾನ ಮಾನ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಭಾರತ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸುವರ್ಣಾವಕಾಶ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ, ನನ್ನ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗಳು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಂದಿರಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜನವರಿಗೆ, ಅಜ್ಜಿಯವರಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸಾರದವರಿಗೆ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಇದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ, ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಈ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವವರು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದವರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಸೂಯೆ ಪಡುವುದಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಕಾರಣ ಅವರು ಇರುವುದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಪಂಜಾಬಿಯವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹರಿಯಾಣದವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನದವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯು ಪಿ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಿಹಾರದವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಕೂರ್ಗ್ನವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕೇರಳದ ಕೆಲವು ಜನ, ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಿನ ಕೆಲವು ಜನ, ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಕೆಲವು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಒಂದು 100 ಜನ ಸಿಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಇಡೀ ಸೌತ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಜನ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ನವ್ರು ಸಿಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ರಿಯಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವರು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈಗ PUC ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, SLC ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಮೇತ ಈ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಬಂದು ತಾವು ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಾವು ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದೇವರ ಸಾಕ್ಷ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗವಂತೂ ದೇವರು ಖಂಡಿತ ದಯಪಾಲಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. You understand? If you join defense, you will get your salary, you will get your position, you will get everything. But one most important thing, you will be blessed with the, you will be blessed with the heaven. Some people may say that, how can you say like that they will bless with the heaven? Yes, I'm saying with the conviction that serving for the nation is serving for the religion. Every religion has taught this. When you serve for the nation, you're not only serving for the nation, you are serving for the religion. In that context, 100% God will bless us with the heaven. So, and then in this, it is not only male member. I must say, with a great deal of aspiration and happiness, I see equal number of girls also. And girls also got an amazing opportunity, for the in defense sector. If you know the recent problem when it happened in Sindhu, right? Operation Sindhu, the girls, who have into the public, public domain, the whole issue is one Muslim girl called Fatima Sophia Qureshi. Sophia Qureshi and one cow, one Punjabi lady. I don't know the first name. Second name is I think Kaur. Right, sir? Am I right, sir? Yeah. So the first person who made this news public is a Sophia Qureshi. So I want, don't think that how can I become a defense, officer. No, you have an opportunity. Everyone got an opportunity. So my earnest desire and pray and appeal to each and every one of you to please take interest in the defense sector, and for this you will not find a better person than Mr. Anish Kutty. I must tell you, Anish Kutty sir has given opportunity for more than 700 people who become in a different position, top position of the defense sector today. Out of 700, this Mullah Sahab, helped only 7 or less than 10 Muslim students. 690 non-Muslim students. So give him a big round of applause. So you may think that he's a long beard, mullah gentleman. He must have supported Muslims. No. He just helped just 10 students, less than 10 Muslim students. 690 is non-Muslim student. So here the question of Muslim, non-Muslim doesn't arise. One other aspect in this contest I am telling you, I told you what is the advantage of a defense. Defense gives you a job, defense gives you a good salary, defense gives you an opportunity to serve the nation, defense gives you a lineage of success, lineage of success and the legacy what you are going to leave behind. Defense can make you a disciplined person, defense make you a truthful person, and the one unique thing of a defense is, in defense there is no religion, region, language difference. Absolutely no. That's the uniqueness of a defense sector. So I once again appeal to all of you, this is a golden opportunity. Listen to him carefully. We are going to have a session up to 1 o'clock. If there is any interaction, don't be, houdu basavanna, houdu, Allah basavanna, Allah, hage helike hogbedi. Nimage enadru artha agdida pakshadalli, you speak to him in Hindi and English, he will explain to you, he will give a clear perspective how to understand this aspect, and I wish you all the very best. I pray to God Almighty to help us in this endeavor with a lot of aspiration. We started this, and nothing will happen with the grace of God. Without the grace of God, nothing will happen. So I pray to God Almighty to bless this event abundantly, and God willing, inshallah, sooner than later, our children, I want to see Colonel Shetty, Brigadier Mogavira, and Captain Barry, and what is that? What is the other big name? Navy Commander D'Souza. I want this kind of a name to appear in the defense sector, and wish you all the very best. Good luck. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your impressive opening remarks. I hope the students here have understood what the sir has said so far, and we are waiting for the most awaited moment, that is the session from Anish sir. I kindly invite you, sir, to give your session to the students, and I kindly request the dignitaries to be seated in the front.
Say good afternoon. Sir introduced me. He Now, it should be not a monologue, as he said, it should be a dialogue. So I would always like you to ask me upfront, or कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. You want to ask me anything, whatever is in your mind, it should come out. Careers which you people are not aware of. Now, basically, I'll talk about 3 careers which are very famous, and I will vouch for it that whatever I speak about those 3 careers also, you people are not aware of. The first careers, because girls are there in front of me. How many of you want to become doctors here? Doctors. Haath upar karo, raise your hands. Because it's an engineering college, I just was verifying. Acha, how many of you want to become engineers? Raise your hands. Very good. If I can tell you that you can be an engineer and you also don't have to spend any amount of money in your engineering subjects, if you are in the 12th standard or you have just passed your 12th standard, the entire money is given by the government, paid by the government, and you also get a degree and you also get stipend during the course. How many of you know about that particular course? No. Any idea? None. Now move right and left. Move right and left. Okay. एक दूसरे को सलाम करो, बैठ जाओ. एक दूसरे को सलाम करो, बैठ जाओ. कितने लोगों ने JEE का एग्जाम दिया? How many of you have given JEE का exams? 1. Here, some of them. So, did you know that through JEE you could have gone into Indian Army, Navy, Air Force? No, you were not aware. How many of you came to know that you can go into Indian Army, Navy, Air Force by giving JEE exams? Anyone was knowing about it? How many? Anybody? No one. बोलो ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है. बोलो. You can become officer in the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. The entire engineering cost is borne by the Indian defense system. You get a degree and you also become an officer. Are you aware of this? No. Similarly, those children whose kids or sisters or brothers or relatives are studying for NEET, you can become a doctor in the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. The exam is called as NEET. You don't have to give any other exam. But through NEET, you have to fill a form. The name of the form is called AFMC, Armed Forces Medical College. कौन सा form भरना है, जोर से बोलो. Armed Forces Medical College. That particular girl or boy can become a doctor. And first year itself, they will be paid stipend to become a doctor. After 4 years, they become a doctor and also an officer. If they want to do their MD, again by government's money, you do your MD. You want to go to Europe, you can go to Europe. Everything will be taken care of by the government. You get a house which is more than 1 acre. You get a jeep and you get people to work for you. Your children will be accompanied to the school by some soldiers. Such kind of facilities available in the Indian defense system if somebody wants to be a doctor. The only thing that they have to do, like what Sanjay Dutt says in the movie Munna Bhai MBBS. How many of you have watched Munna Bhai MBBS? सब अल्लाह वाले दिखते हैं, कोई पिक्चर नहीं दिखते. अरे कितने लोगों ने देखा मुन्ना भाई MBBS? हाँ. In Munna Bhai MBBS, when he goes to the hospital, he says एक डायलॉग है, ऑपरेशन करने से पहले फॉर्म भरना जरूरी है. क्या डायलॉग है, जोर से बोलो. ऑपरेशन करने से पहले इंडिया में भी फॉर्म भरना जरूरी है. Many people are there who get more than 650 marks, but they don't fill up the form, so they are not becoming eligible for giving that exam. If you people have given JEE, if you would have filled the technical entry scheme form, you would have got a call letter. Only thing was interview. There is a 5-day interview called SSB, Service Selection Board, which is compulsory by the Government of India for everyone who wants to become an officer has to give this interview. That interview preparation is a 360-degree development, which everyone has to appear. In fact, I have asked the Berry sir that from next year onwards, there will be a colonel here who will conduct this interview for you. Because anybody who becomes an engineering graduate, how many of you are doing your AI? दुनिया में 5 चीजें चलने वाली है, boys. How many? 5 things are going to work out in the country now. Say A. बोलो जोर से बोलो A. Girls loudly A. B. C. D. And E. Say loudly A. B. C, D, and E. What does A stand for? A intelligence, there will be directly, you will be getting a call, provided you fill up the form. In institutes like DRDO, कितने लोगों ने DRDO का नाम सुना है? Very good. What do you know about DRDO? Anybody who can stand up and tell me? एक mic दे सकते हैं उनको? Can you give a mic? Somebody who knows about DRDO? Somebody has raised the hand. I just want to know. Yes, yes. Stand up. Very good, fantastic. मेरे को सुनने से आपको बहुत फायदा होगा और क्वेश्चन पूछने से भी फायदा होगा. Yes, Banta. Your name first. हाँ.
I'm from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department.
Which year?
Fourth year.
So your major is AI or minor is DS?
Sir?
Major artificial intelligence.
Yes, yes.
And minor data science.
Data Science.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, we got an opportunity for DRDO like 3 months back.
Can you tell me the full form of DRDO?
Yeah,
I'll help you. Defense?
Defense and Research and
Okay, continue.
okay, sir. And it is based we are working on the defense sectors on technical basis and doing the research on the technical things it might be radar system or some other defense organization.
So it is an apprenticeship or it's an internship?
It was like an internship.
It's a project for your final year?
No, we get an opportunity but we were not able to go there.
Achha. Don't miss this opportunity because DRDO, I call them Amar Akbar Anthony. Bolo, Amar Akbar Anthony bolo. इंडिया में हमारा DRDO है, अकबर जो है वो BRC है, बाबा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर. How many of you have heard about BRC? Say loudly, Baba Atomic Research Center. It is in Bombay. So anybody who is doing the engineering, उसको दो ना, continue करो. Let us. And third is Anthony. Anthony is ISRO. ISRO. Where is ISRO? Anyone? Where is ISRO? Girls, boys? Huh? Don't say. Bangalore. Anybody who can speak about ISRO? Can you continue with DRDO? Why did you miss the event?
Sir, it was like 6 months of internship where we need to attend our regular classes also, but we were not getting the chance to attend our classes. So we missed it.
So after your 4 years, are you ready to join DRDO, BRC or ISRO?
Yes, sir. If we get a chance, I will really.
But if you get a very good job outside India, maybe America, NASA, which one you will prefer, DRDO or NASA?
Sir, India, of course.
India, of course. You good name, thanks, Pepper. So give 3 interviews. You have to fill up the form for DRDO, ISRO, BRC. One more new thing I just added in my PPT. Sinan sir, can you start my PPT? Just I wanted to know the nick of the audience. I have got a very good PPT on the board and there is no copyright for the PPT. I will be sharing the PPT to the entire team if the management allows me. I don't have any copyright acts for it. I want you to go to the PPT and ask me questions like what he did. Okay? So if you are, I'll come back to the point. Amar Akbar Anthony, repeat karo. What is Amar? DRDO. What is Akbar? BRC. At least you should know. What is Anthony? ISRO. ISRO is in Bangalore. You should understand why it is important. If you want to do space exploration, if you want to go join Indian Space, there is only one particular college which is in Trivandrum and it is called IIST. Anybody knows about IIST? IIST Trivandrum. After your graduation from BEADS here, you should go do your MTech in aviation or avionics or space. And that the best institute to do that is IIST, where it is Trivandrum. Okay? Now coming back to the point, girls, I was talking about ABCD. What does A stand for? Artificial intelligence. What does B stand for? B stands for bioinformatics. Yeah, very good. What does girls? I was hearing something new. What is B? Anybody raise your hand, you can say one mic to the girls. One mic to the girls. Sir. No need to stand up, but you can speak. Bioinformatics के अलावा कुछ है क्या? B for your point of view. Huh? Biotechnology. Yeah. Bioinformatics is a larger umbrella. Biotechnology is a part of it. Very good. C. Anybody C? Voice. बहुत पैसा उसमें. Cyber security. What is C? How many of you have heard about cryptocurrency? How many of you have heard about cryptocurrency? Yes, very good. The sir will talk about cryptocurrency. Sir, जरा बाइक ले लो. थोड़ा बताओ ना.
Myself, Dr. Sheikh Amir Pasha.
हाँ.
So I'm teaching here in Paris Institute of Technology. So cryptocurrency is nothing but that is a cashless currency. It is actually it's a transaction happening in technical aspects. So we don't need at present India doesn't have that centralized system for cryptocurrency, whereas other countries are having some kind of centralized things, and it is legal. But in India, it's not okay, at present. It's not illegal here. So this is what I have the knowledge about this.
Many of those people have lost their money because cryptocurrency अभी तक इंडिया में नहीं आया. But cryptocurrency चलने वाला है. Follow guy, his name is C.A. Sarthak Ahuja. What is his name? How many of you have a mobile with you? हाँ, Google करो उसको C.A. Sarthak Ahuja. Write down C.A. Sarthak Ahuja. Follow him. He is a CA and there are a lot of things that he talks about. And when he talks about things, he talks about very good things. You should listen to it. Then girls, there is a lady called Vandana Shiva. You can Google and find it out. Google करना पाप नहीं है. जोर से बोलो. जोर से बोलो. Google करना पाप नहीं है. गलत चीजें Google करना पाप है. Say loudly. Vandana Shiva type करो. Vandana Shiva. Or find out. At least if you don't understand what she's speaking, your English will be very good. At least the least thing that you can understand. तो ABC बोल रहा था boys. वापिस से A के साथ repeat what is A? Artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science. What is B? Loudly. Bioinformatics. What is C? Cryptocurrency. What is D? Girls, what is D? Data science. What is E? E is energy. E is environment. E is the things which Elon Musk is talking about. That is E. So these are the new concepts that you have to understand. I'll come back to my point. Just wanted to know the feel where you people are right now. The next slide. आपके पास. So this is me. My name is Anish Kuti, and I'm proud to say that 700 plus children are officers. Salim bhai, 700 plus children are officers in my academy who have joined the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force through various exams. The basic exam is NDA, National Defense Academy. Huh? Wife is there. Let wife sit somewhere. Wife को बुला ना आगे बैठा. Salim bhai has come from Coorg. He's a Coorgi. How many of you know about Coorg? How many of you know of Coorg? India का सब national or generals are from Coorg. Can you name anyone? Karyappa is from Coorg. In fact, Sam Banekshaw, he was a field marshal. He came and settled down in Coorg. So Coorgis are very abundant in Coorg. How many of you know about Robin Uthappa? Robin Uthappa, Ashwini Nachappa, they're all Coorgis. Achha, how many of you boys know Rashmika Mandana? सबको मालूम है. So she is also from Coorg. So Coorgs are very important part of Indian system where they join Indian defense. So you find out why. Or Karnataka ka Saini school, there are one Saini school in one particular state. But Karnataka has got two. One is in Bijapur and one is in loudly Coorg. This time 23 students from Coorg passed their NDA written exam, and I had a good role to play in that particular aspect. So NDA is an exam conducted by UPSC. NDA is an exam conducted by UPSC. Girls, even girls can join as officers in the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. As our chairman notably pointed out, Sophia Qureshi, all of you can give the exam. How many are in the 4th year of graduation? Raise your hands. जो भी 4th year में है, सब लोगों को एक फॉर्म भरना है. अभी फॉर्म निकला है, उसका नाम है CDS. What is the name of the form? Say loudly. CDS, Combined Defense Service. Those who don't like maths, girls, there is a special entry. It is called OTA, Officers Training Academy. So you can become an officer without maths also. Though you are engineers, but that is also possible. So if you find that maths is tough, you can go for that also. There is one more entry in the final year of graduation. It is called AFCAT. Say loudly, what is that called as? AFCAT. Where you become directly a flying officer in the Indian Air Force. हम जब Indian Air Force join करते हैं, तो we are getting a flying experience of 500 hours. Indigo नहीं चलाते, Air India नहीं चलाते, MiG चलाते MiG. कितने लोगों ने MiG देखा? How many of you have seen MiG? MiG fighter plane देखा है? How many of you seen India का एक 6 फ्रांस से fighter planes आए थे जिसका नाम Rafale है, Rafale. How many of you heard about heard about Rafael? Boys, have you heard about Rafael? फ्रांस के एयरशिप से 6 इंडिया में आए थे. उसको लाने के लिए जो एक बच्चा था वो मेरे क्लास का बच्चा था. He was there to bring that one particular Rafael. I cannot disclose his name, but there are a lot of people who are serving the nation through joining the Indian Defence. Since most of them are final year graduates, 3 exams that I'm talking about is one is CDS, the other is AFCAT, and third, which is in the very near to you, it is in Kannur. It is called Ehimala. How many of you know from Kannur? How many of you are from Kannur here? Anybody from Kerala, Kannur? Yes, 2, 3 back. How many of you know about Ehimala? 8,000 acres of backwaters. India का Navy का सबसे बड़ा center है Kannur, Ehimala. And every 6 months people pass out from there. And if you are also interested, you can fill up the form. That name of the form is called INET. I-N-E-T. Write in your Google. Just write it down INET. Or I'll share you the PPT from the PPT also, you can find it out. So directly you can join core electrical, core computer science, core AI, ML, or somebody who has done from robotics or cyber security or ethical hacking. These people are required in the Indian Navy now. So in AFCAT, even if you have got less core, you are being called for an interview. Every 12 months, there is interview, which is called SSB, which is a 5-day process. If you have filled up the form, and if you want to join the Indian Army Navy Air Force, you have to give that interview. In our institute, online or offline, we will prepare you free, provided you get a call. To get a call, क्या करना चाहिए? अरे भाई लोग, to get a call, what you have to do? Form fill करना. संजय दत्त जैसा बोला ना, form भरना जरूरी है. कौन form भर सकता? Who can fill up the form? Who can fill up the form? Anybody who's in the 4th year. How many of you are in the 4th year here? 4th year students. Yeah. So those who are in the 4th year, they can fill up the form. So next. So these are the exams I'm talking about. Can anybody repeat with me what did I write here, girls? What is the full form of NDA? National Defence Academy. This exam is given after 12th standard. It is conducted by UPSC. It is conducted by UPSC. What is the full form of UPSC? Voice. What is the full form of UPSC? Anybody? Give a mic. Union Public Service Commission. It is the only exam conducted by UPSC at a pre-graduate level. All other exams are conducted by UPSC after graduation. But NDA is the only exam at a pre-graduate level. The next exam I was talking about CDS. Anybody who's a graduate, whether you're arts, commerce, science, anybody, whether you're a girl or a boy, you can give that exam called CDS. Third exam, AFCAT, also same thing. AFCAT is a special entry only for Air Force. Suppose in Mangalore, last time when I had come, in Coorg also, many of our children, especially from the community, want to become commercial pilot. How many want to become commercial pilot? Raise your hands. किसको commercial pilot बनना है? देखो, that particular pilot. So, Mike, though. Yeah. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
What have you done? What have you studied till now?
I'm in final year EC.
From Berry College?
Paris,
Yeah, very good. Now, what is the full form of EC?
Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Very good. Now, why you want to become a commercial pilot?
I'm
Huh? Should know.
interested.
So, what is the process to become a commercial pilot?
After NDA exam,
Now you cannot give NDA. That age is over. Now you are in the final year, na? You can give AFCAT. So, what is better, to give AFCAT or to give a commercial pilot license?
AFCAT.
Why?
You said.
Because I am sick. See, and I am not sick. 84% of North India is in the defense. Only 16% of the South India is in defense. People are not aware. They spend 1 crore rupees to become a commercial pilot license. I have seen the community spending 1 crore rupees to get a commercial pilot license. Or job guarantee nahi hai. Nobody can guarantee you that you are going to get a job. But if you become a pilot either from NDA or from AFCAT, you are getting a salary of 7 lakh rupees per month in any of the private airlines. But you have to be an Air Force pilot, not from outside. You get an experience of driving MiG for 500 hours of flying experience will jata. NDA, you join NDA at the age of 18. 4 years of training, 18 plus 4, 22. 15 years of service. After 15 years, 37, you retire. Once you retire, all this Air India Express, SpiceJet, Indigo will hire you. So you're getting a 15 years का service, you're getting pension, you have not spent any money from the parents. 100 rupees का form NDA का होता है boys के लिए, girls के लिए 100 rupees का form भी नहीं होता. Moment you come out of that, you are getting a salary of 7 lakh rupees per month. Without fail, 100%. So that is the legacy which our chairman was talking about. Why you have to join defense? Indian defense में जो facility मिलता ना, nobody can give you that kind of facility. The next exam, SSB. What is SSB, girls? Anybody who wants to become an officer, they have to go through a process called Service Selection Board, which is a 5-day interview. One of the interview is taken at Mysore. It is for Air Force. Where is Mysore? Board. It is called AFSB. So if you are filling up the form after your graduation or after you clear your ND, CDS, AFCAT, you have to go for a 5-day interview. That 5-day interview training can be conducted either at the BRE campus or I'll help you to conduct, inshallah. Next is ISRO. I spoke about ISRO. I spoke about BRC. Now I'm going to speak about Agniveer. How many of you have heard about Agniveer? This you should tell from every platform. It should be there everywhere. After 12th standard, Government of India is hiring people which is not of the officer level, of the soldier level. But if you join them, they give you a salary of 40,000 rupees per month. After 12th, graduation will be done by IGNOU. The moment after 4 years, moment you are graduated, you can give your CDS, AFCAT, and you can join the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force as a officer, provided you clear that exam. And the entry is called ACC, Army Cadet Corps. How many of you know girls? After 10th standard, girls can join a thing called as military police. आप लोगों ने सुना है? Have you heard about military police? You can join military police. It is called CMP, Corps of Military Police, and it is only for girls. And there is a course called MNS, Military Nursing Service. 220 seats. It is not nursing. You become an officer and you join the nursing service. And it is only for girls and it is only for bi girls. And all Sharia compliant. Why Sharia compliant? If you see the dress, if you see the dress code, they wear a safari suit like what I have today, what I am wearing, and they have a cap which will cover your hair. And if you take a mask of 10 rupees during the COVID session and put on your face, it's always compliant, and it's only for girls. The name of the exam is called, loudly girls, it is called MNS. क्या नाम है? जोर से बोलो. MNS. घर पे जाके बताओ अपने भाई को, अपने बहनों को कि ऐसा कोई एग्जाम है. If you give that exam, you become an officer, and you also become what? And you get a stipend of 46,000 after 12th. And NEET में 650 मार्क्स की जरूरत नहीं है. You have to just qualify NEET. 300 मार्क NEET में मिला तो भी हो जाता है. But NEET, to give NEET is compulsory. Once you qualify NEET, you are able to do it. You want to see? 25 years. 25 years. Yeah. So till 25 years they can give. Since you asked the age limit now, you can join Indian Army, Navy, Air Force till the age of 42. How many of you know Mahendra Singh Dhoni, boys? कितने लोगों को Mahendra Singh Dhoni मालूम है? Very good. Kerala star, yeah. Both of them are territorial army officers. Like our chairman said, when there was a big problem in Wayanad, the first person to reach was Mohanlal. He could reach because he is a member of territorial army. He has a uniform. They have given him, even Sachin Tendulkar, they have given him because of the respect as a territorial army officer. But you can give your exam to join the Indian Army Navy office of Air Force till the age of 42. 42 years तक आप जा सकते हैं. कितने लोगों को पता है जब तुर्की में earthquake हो गया था, इंडिया से लोग चले गए थे और उनको बचाने के लिए. And the name of the organization was called NDRF, National Disaster Relief Organization. And the head was from our community. I don't want to name anyone, but they had gone there to rescue earthquake victims. So there is lot of various fields in Indian Army, Navy, Air Force where you can join them till what age? Till the age of 42.
Thank you, sir.
Any other question, boys?
Cousin is there in army, and my uncle also there. And after retirement, he joined to railway office.
Yeah, very good, very good. What post you retired?
Army only.
And what are you doing here? Which college are you studying?
Paris.
Where is only? Which is the degree that you are taking?
CS with IoT.
CS with?
IoT.
You are in first year, second year?
First year.
So he should become the officer then.
You should become an officer.
But he
What
should
are your
become-
plans to become an officer? Clap for him, all of you.
So our boni is done. Our boni is done.
Automatically he gets a call letter from Army, Navy, Air Force. So in the campus we should have HSC, C certificate. 11th and 12th day, graduation. After the 12th, when they join the engineering college, let first year go. Second year, third year, or fourth year, or first year, second year, third year. In 3 years, if they get C certificate, directly they get a call to join the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. So we have to, after 12. See, before 12 it is called B certificate. Very good, very good. So now what are your plans?
I've taken a CS.
Come outside, come outside. Please search me on the YouTube, you'll find me. You can just write Anish Kunti. Search me. You search Anish Kunti, you can find me. Whatever I'm talking about, you can see on the net also. But when you come physically, offline, you get to see boys like this who can take the legacy ahead. Anybody else? Yes, come बच्चा. आपका आजा बच्चा डर मत. अच्छा उसको आप खड़ा करो सर. उसको खड़ा तो करो. Yeah, let him come because.
I wrote NCC exam. So like when I came here to admission, like in admission they said cyber security they involved this year. So that's why I taken CSC with IoT. Like after studying IoT, after that I will join government.
Those people who are doing engineering, take my word from it. Every month you have an interview. Every month. The moment, but you have to get first class in all your semesters. They call you for interview. The moment you get a call, the call will be called SSB call, and it is called TGC entry, Technical Graduate Scheme entry, by which anybody who applies for it will get a job. क्या चाहिए इंडियन आर्मी नेवी एयरफोर्स को? अभी वो जमाना खत्म हो गया जाके लड़ाई कर रहे. No, they want people from AI, they want people from ML, they want people from DS, data science, they want people from robotics, they want people who knows drones. Anybody is doing anything in drones here? Drone का course, anything. Robotics है, drone है, cyber security है. Anybody who's an ethical hacker? Ethical hacker. Any course that you're doing as an ethical hacker?
Normally add-on course.
Add-on course. मैं अभी आपको और एक add-on course के बारे में बताता, जो आपके लिए बहुत brilliant है. हाँ, जो see, it will be very worth. You are studying here. How many want to get a degree from IIT? BRE में लेके, Bangalore में लेके, how many of you want a degree from IIT? I can give you a degree by being here. Don't need to go to IIT Chennai. You have to pay 3,000 rupees and fill up a form. It is called degree BSc Data Science. Achha, how many of you know that you can take 2 degrees at one given time? In our time, if you go to 2 different colleges, we will go to jail. Now, the government of India has allowed you can take 2 degrees at a given time. Suppose, what are you posting here? What is your degree?
Yes.
CS. Now, what he has to do is fill up 3,000 rupees and get a degree from Chennai IIT. Once you pay 3,000 rupees, they'll submit a form, they'll give you a course module, study that course module, give the exam online, and by staying here, you can get that degree. That degree is for 3 years, but can be done in 6 semesters. So once you get a degree, a BSc Data Science from Chennai IIT also, you are getting a dual degree. So that dual degree will get you a bit better job. How many of you have understood what I am saying? कितने लोग समझ में आया? अच्छा, how many of you been knowing this before? अच्छा, how many of you know it for the first time? Raise your hands. I came to know that for the first time. Very good. Say, ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है. Girls, बोलो जोर से. बोलो ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है 17-18 सालों में. बैंगलोर में इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट है. बैंगलोर में इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट IIM का डिग्री है जिसका नाम है DBE, डिजिटल बिजनेस एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. इसको इसके डिग्री के साथ DBE करना है. यहाँ बैठ के वो DBE का डिग्री ले सकता है. सेम प्रोसेस. So I'm going out of platform, but I'm trying to tell him that with one particular aim of joining NDA, you have to study for CDS and AFCAT. What are the 2 exams that you have to study? CDS and AFCAT. And one more exam which everybody has to study, which people don't know, it is called GATE. अरे GATE का exam देते क्या नहीं देते? How many of you know about GATE? अच्छा, how many of you know that if you clear GATE, you become officer, scientist, B, officer in the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. It's a direct entry by the UPSC. So मैनेजमेंट का चेयरमैन सर का दोनों काम हो गया, आर्मी में भी जाएगा और यूपीएससी का ऑफिसर भी होगा, दोनों भी. It's a direct entry, but you have to give which exam? Loudly. So I was talking about study school. So sir will do the NCC part here. Okay? You introduce yourself also.
My name is Prashant.
Now,
And
what are you studying here?
mechanical.
Mechanical. Very good. Clap for it. देखो जितना बात करेंगे ना तो मैं भी बात कर सकता हूँ. I know a lot of things because मैं यही काम करता हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि बाकी लोगों को नहीं मालूम. I have done more than 500 lectures, so I know a lot of things. So the moment he said mechanical, how many of you want to join merchant navy? Mangalore is a port, and Mangalore is one of the biggest port, and maritime का बहुत बड़ा एक branch है merchant navy. Anybody who has done mechanical engineering or anybody has gone architecture, हमारे architecture भी है ना? We have architecture. Anybody who are doing architecture here? See, very good, very good. Both of you come here. Both of you come here. Come. आ जाओ, सामने आ जाओ. Clap for them, both of them. हाँ. Now, how many of you are doing mechanical engineering from BIT? Where is? इसके अलावा mechanical, raise your hands. हाँ. So do you? What's your name?
Myself Muhammad Muzammil.
What are you doing? What are you studying?
I'm mechanical engineering.
First year, second year, third year.
First year.
First year. Very good. What about you? Architecture. Yeah, you don't come. हाँ बच्चा. It is for you. हाँ.
Myself, Mohammad Mukim. I'm studying architecture 4th year.
Fantastic. What are your plans after your 4th year?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nafis. I am from Bihar. Bihar.
So mechanical engineering, architecture.
Mechanical engineering.
4th year.
No, 3rd year.
3rd year. Very good. आप बच्चा?
My name is Mohammed Asil in first year architecture.
Architecture.
My name is Adnan Khurshid Khan. My branch is BCA.
BCA को मैं अलग से बताया ना, चेन्नई का बताया, टीवी का बताया. जो बच्चे architecture कर रहे, those who are doing architecture and those who are from the mechanical engineering stream, there is an 8-month course called GME, and that maritime engineering, there is an entrance for it. If you clear that entrance exam, they can join the Indian ports. Port system पता ना, you can join ONGC, you can join Mangalore ports, all other ports. This is eligible only for which two category? Either they are mechanical engineer or architecture. So from both of them, they should go and apply for the form, and that's an 8-month course. The name of the course is GME. Want to know more details? I'll let them know. Okay? All of you can go. Thank you, Professor. Tell them.
He's from Kashmir.
Tell me what he did.
He cracked the UPSC, IES, All India Rank 1.
All India Rank 1. Very good. Fantastic. शाह फैसल और मैं वेडनेसडे के दिन, कल भी मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. Wednesday we are going to Delhi. I'm going to Delhi, and there is a event called Talimi Bedari. All the role model for all of us. The role model for all of us is APJ Abdul Kalam. Clap for him, all of you. And APJ Abdul Kalam sir, he cleared Indian CDS 4 times. How many times did he clear? 4 times. But in the final selection, only 3 got selected. He was merit out. ये बात कितने लोगों को पहली बार मालूम पड़ा? हाथ ऊपर करो. पहली बार मालूम पड़ा. बोला ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है. APJ Abdul Kalam का सब बुक्स पढ़ना चाहिए. उसका बायोग्राफी पढ़ना चाहिए. He is the best role model for us in India right now. You should know what he was doing, what he was teaching, what he was presenting. How did his journey go about in education? He was guided by his teacher to do astrophysics. And astrophysics is mentioned in Quran, but nobody knows about it. You should learn about it. What is astrophysics? Have you heard about Ayuka? No. Have you heard about Jain Narlikar? These are the people who have done wonders in astronomy and astrophysics. So I'm coming back to the point, Shah Faisal is also a chief guest there. He was a person to crack IAS, and he was a topper from the Kashmiri cadre. Right now he's an IAS officer right now in the Indian government. So there are a lot of children from his state who becomes IAS officers because of their proper credentials. They work out for it. The number of IAS officers from one particular state, especially from the community, is more than the entire state together. So to become an officer or to become crack IAS officer, to become an IAS officer, there are 3 things. Say again, Amar, Abba, Akbar and Anthony. Say again. First thing else that you have to do is the preliminary exam. Preliminary exam, most important hurdle is not English, but it is mathematics. The Times of India report says 62% of the people are not able to clear prelims because of maths. Because of maths, which maths? The same maths which will be useful for you in your final year engineering. When you go for placement, there is a book called R.S. Agarwal. Sinan sir, are you teaching from R.S. Agarwal? There should be a teacher who should teach R.S. Agarwal. And that logic and reasoning should be taught from right from first year onwards. So in the fourth year, they don't get stuck up. So if you want your children to become UPSC aspirants, first thing that they have to do is prelims. And what is the biggest hurdle? Maths. Because they are not aware of logic and reasoning. So they miss with it. So if they do logic and reasoning properly, they are also selected by the companies. So me and Sadaf ma'am, we have got a contract in various engineering colleges in Pune, where I thought that we have to teach M1, M2, M3. No. We are going and teaching in an engineering college logic and reasoning. We are teaching quantitative aptitudes. We are teaching a book called R.S. Agarwal. That is the contract that we got. So every engineering college should have a branch. That career placement should have attached career guidance center also, where we should teach from quantitative aptitude. So this particular boy will not have a problem to clear his prelims in UPSC. He will easily clear his prelims in UPSC. The next is mains. Once you clear prelims, you can clear mains, and after mains there is an interview. How many of you have watched 12th fail picture? कितने लोगों ने देखा 12th fail? Very good. It's a motivational picture. You should watch. So there are 3 stages. तीनों स्टेज बताओ. पहला स्टेज क्या है?
Prelims.
Second stage क्या है?
Mains and
Third stage क्या
interview.
है? Very good. Next slide. Not going to go and fight the war, but if any internal trouble is there, there is floods, there is droughts, there is any calamity, these people join the Indian Army. So territorial army exam can be given till the age of 42. Subjects that you should know is maths, English and aptitude. Once you know 3 things, maths, English, aptitude, and one more thing is psychology, there is no need to study anything else. Okay? So which exam I was talking about, girls? Exam का नाम क्या है? जोर से बोलो, territorial army. What is the name of the exam? Any question that you want to ask here in the audience? No need to stand, I will not call you out, don't get ashamed. But from there I want you to ask me some question. सवाल से जवाब है, जवाब से सवाल है. सवाल से जवाब का जमाना खत्म हो गया. After COVID, जवाब से सवाल. Yes or no? शाहरुख खान का गाना भी है, सवालों से जवाब नहीं, जवाबों से सवाल. You get connected very fast if I say Shahrukh Khan. Yes, you want to ask anyone, girls? It's about your careers. See, careers are not chosen. That was my subject. And that is what I repeat everywhere. Careers हमारा choice नहीं है. Especially community के girls को क्या करते हैं? Pharmacy कर रहा है, तो बाजू वाले को भी जबरदस्ती pharmacy में भेज देते हैं. Any particular course, you should know psychologically what I want to do. There are psychometric course which tells you what you can do. As I told you about Chennai IIT also, you can sit at home and work from home also. Once after your graduation, I can tell you courses where you can get a package of 40 lakhs plus. Either in the defense system or in the government sector. But you should ask. If you ask, I'll reply. ठीक है, नहीं पूछेंगे तो कोई बताएगा नहीं. You should ask, always ask. And I was saying that only careers are not chosen.
Excuse me, sir.
It is 1 minute. It is calibrated.
Sir, here we have a question from the student.
Sir, what is the job opportunity for architects in the army?
There is this thing called as naval architecture. There is a thing called naval architecture. Once you do that, you can get a different. There is an opening for that. It is there in Visakhapatnam, Vizag. There is 1 more year that you have to spend. Other than that, once you are a graduate in architecture, you have to fill up your form, or you give the GATE exam and go for the technical entry. So they will specially call. If we need architects, especially in the Navy. You know, there are a lot of ships in the Navy, big vessels, which has created, even destroyed. So they need. Have you heard about INS Vikrant? So Visakhapatnam is the main hub where architects can also join Indian Army Navy. You can share my number, I'll talk to you later on. It's a special course. So I was saying careers are not chosen. It is calibrated, it is curated. Yes or no? And it is crafted. So you should have mentors with you who will help you to understand what careers you have to do. 2036 में white collar job उसी को मिलेगा जिसके life में proper career counseling है. If you are studying something and you don't know anything, it will be of no use. Yes,
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
My name is Muhammad Nabil. I study in first BCA. Sir, only engineers can do army.
No. Anybody who's a commerce side, arts, commerce, humanities, everybody can join Indian Army. You have to be a graduate. But now at present they know they need more technical engineers. Now they want more technical people. Understood? Now they are giving preference to, see, AFCAT is given by commerce, arts and humanities. AFCAT is also given by engineers. So what they are doing is they are selecting more people from the engineering background rather than the humanity background. Previously they were taking more from the arts, commerce and humanity background. For example, if you have done your commerce and if you have done your accounts, see, I have written. Have you said, Nisha, see, what have you written here? See the right side, what I have written? Accounts. So somebody who has done a BCom can also be a ground duty person. He will not be a flying person, but he can do ground duty. Are you seeing what I am saying? I'll go on the stage, see. The answer is on the stage. What is written here? What is written here, ground duty? What is this? Logistics. Somebody who has done his BBA logistics will get a job. What is written here? Administration. Girls who have done your BBA or MBA, you can get a job. What is written here? What is written here? Even somebody is an accountant, BCom kar liya, they can also join Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. But it is a ground duty. It is a ground duty. But ground duty also you can join Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. But to become a flyer, flying branch में कौन जाएगा? अरे flying branch में कौन जाएगा? Pilots or navigators or air operators. They are all engineering graduates. BTech जिसका हुआ. अच्छा, what about technical branch? Engineers, weapons and system, maintenance. Again, engineering background.
What about the education?
Any BTech core degree, either electrical or computers or AI, ML, DS. Any graduate. अच्छा मैं और एक बताता जो इसमें मेंशन नहीं है. There is a thing called geology. किसी ने meteorology पढ़ा तो meteorology पढ़ने वाले को भी Indian Army, Navy, Air Force में चांस है. People are not aware of it. थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. I call it as दिल. जोर से बोलो दिल. जोर से. दिल का मतलब तुम जो सोचते हो दिल नहीं है. दिल का मतलब deep immersive learning है. Deep immersive learning, that is the second part of career counseling. Here I am just making you aware of things. But how to implement it, you have to come to me again. You can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. I'll share it to you. The next slide. हाँ, ये पता है? Back please. How many of you know this line? Accounts. हाँ, be the line. Next slide. हाँ, what? Read loudly. Be the line that क्या? Builds. Not the one that drums. मालूम है? हिंदी में कहावत है. हिंदी में बहुत अच्छा कहावत है. क्या है? हिंदी में कहावत है, बंदर खाए अंगूर और शेर ढोल बजाए. Say again. क्या बोला? जोर से बोलो ना. बंदर खाए अंगूर और शेर ढोल बजा रहे. हमारे कम्युनिटी का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, बंदर लोग अंगूर खा रहे और शेर ढोल बजा रहा है. बिकॉज पता ही नहीं करना क्या है. अरे बात समझ में आ रहा नहीं आ रहा? So yes, you have to come out of it. Knowledge अभी सबके लिए है. आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने जमजम का पानी पिलाया. हुजूर पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने, हमारे नबी ने जमजम का पानी पिलाया कि नहीं पिलाया? तो जमजम का पानी पीने के बाद का दुआ क्या है? कौन बताएगा? मेरे अंदर का मौलाना जाग उठा है. यस. हाँ सर को माइक दो ना. सर को माइक दो. जमजम का पानी पीने के बाद का दुआ. We don't take our religion also seriously.
उसका दुआ वहाँ एंट्रेंस में लिखा है.
हाँ बोलिए.
रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा इंग्लिश में.
हाँ वेरी गुड.
और एंट्रेंस में लिखा हुआ.
उन्होंने अपने चचाजाद भाई को ये दुआ सिखाई. सर ने जो बोला वो भी राइट है. अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी अस्सलुका इब्ने अब्बास रज़ियल्लाहु ताला हुजूर पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम वो चचा है. उनका भाई साथ में हज कर रहे टाइम जमजम का पानी पिया. आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को दुआ सिखाई. अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी अस्सलुका इल्मन नाफिया रिज़्क़न वासिया फिर शिफा मिन कुल्ली दा. तो सबसे पहले क्या मांगने को कहा? अरे बोलो ना. इल्म. उसके बाद रिस्क. उसके बाद शिफा. हमारे पास जमजम का पानी आया तो हम पहले क्या करते? लेके उसको शिफा के लिए आग पे लगाते कि नहीं लगाते? तो हमको मालूम ही नहीं है. We are not even aware of your religion. In our religion, our prophet says, if you want to know about knowledge, go to China. He said this 1400 years ago. In China, the boy or girl who's going to be born In 2036, they have made a house for them. There was the biggest fair called Canton Fair, and it was the biggest educational fair also there. Nobody went from our side. Biggest fair is there in China. It is called Canton Fair. और education का भी सबसे बड़ा fair है. So that you should have gone. चलो, I'll tell you one more education का बहुत बड़ा event है. It is find it out. 18, 19, 20 Delhi. It is called DIDAC. Write it down, बच्चों लोग. DIDAC. DIDAC. Ask your management to take you to picnic. Education trip. It is in Delhi. 18, 19, 20 November. The name of the event is called DIDAC. It is one of the biggest educational event in India. When you go there, you will be able to learn a lot. Inside that DIDAC, if they are teachers or professors or stakeholders or management, there is a thing called TIESS. You have to pay 5,000 rupees and register. There are lecture series there. If you listen to the lectures, you will come to know what is education going in India and abroad. Their international event is there. I am going there in November. It is called JESS. Write it down. Liklo. GESS. Just type JESS Talks. 5 years, 10 years ahead, they are talking about things which we are not even knowing it. It is called JESS. GESS. चलो बच्चों लोग 3 चीज बताया मैंने. क्या क्या बताया वापस से बताओ. अरे बोलो. एक कौन सा इवेंट के बारे में बताया? DIDAC. नहीं जा सकते मत जाओ. उनका फेसबुक फॉलो करो, उनका इंस्टाग्राम फॉलो करो. Follow their leads. They are live. Listen to the lectures. Then I said an international event. What is the name of the international event? JESS. GESS. Listen to them. Okay. Next. हाँ, ऊपर से इंडिया के बारे में मैंने बात कर लिया, CDS बात कर लिया, AFCAT बात कर लिया. अभी मैं 7 बहनों के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. कितने sisters? Loudly. 7 sisters. I'm talking about 7 sisters. My favorite topic. Now, CAPF का full form है, लिख लो, Central Armed Police Force. लिख लो. लिखो बच्चों लोग लिखो. मोबाइल पे लिखो. You can make notes. Write the full form of CAPF. It has got 7 sisters. The first sister I'm talking about is CISF. How many of you have gone in that aeroplane? अरे फ्लाइट में बैठे हाथ ऊपर करो ना. फ्लाइट में बैठे तो कितने लोगों ने तुम्हारे को चेक किया? गर्ल्स को गर्ल्स चेक करते ना. अरे उनके हाथ में स्टैंड गन होता है ना. गर्ल्स को गर्ल्स चेक करते, बॉयज को बॉयज चेक करते. करते कि नहीं सिक्योरिटी चेकिंग में? वो सिक्योरिटी चेकिंग में 8 आवर्स के ड्यूटी को मोर देन 50,000 पेमेंट है. 6 months अगर ग्रेजुएशन के बाद पढ़ लिया. हरियाणा के लोग रहते हैं. कश्मीर में जाओ, कन्याकुमारी में जाओ, यू विल फाइंड एवरीबॉडी फ्रॉम हरियाणा. बिकॉज इन हरियाणा द फीमेल मेल सेक्स रेशियो इज वेरी लेस. फॉर एवरी 1000 मेल देयर आर ओनली 850 फीमेल्स. सो उनके यहाँ शादी नहीं होती अगर वो बच्ची ने CAPF का एग्जाम क्रैक नहीं किया. CAPF एग्जाम क्रैक करने का आसान तरीका, इंडिया का हर एग्जाम UPSC का एक साइड इंग्लिश में आएगा और एक साइड हिंदी में आएगा. अरे आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? On one side you have the question in English and one side you have got a question, same question in Hindi. In Haryana, they go to Chandigarh, join a coaching class for 6 months, solve 5 years paper, clear the exam, and they will be on the Bangalore airport. Today, Sadaf ma'am ko I showed her. See, this lady is from Haryana. She is holding a Sten gun and she is getting more than 50,000 rupees. Name of the exam is CISF. What is the name of the exam? Loudly. Security guard bana. Security officer. It is not guard. Second is CRPF. How many of you have travelled in railways? अरे railways. रात में रेलवे को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए CRPF आते हैं, सेंट्रल रेलवे पुलिस फोर्स. You get a job there. The only disadvantage is you get transferred every 3 years. Other than that, everything is very good. You don't have to get very good marks also. You don't have to be very brilliant also. But 15 years pension. Third job is NSG, National Security Guard. प्राइम मिनिस्टर का, होम मिनिस्टर का, प्रेसिडेंट का गार्ड देखा क्या तुमने? अगर प्राइम मिनिस्टर आके बात कर रहा है तो पीछे कौन खड़े रहते हैं? पीछे कौन खड़े रहते हैं? गार्ड्स, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स. उसका भी सिंपल एग्जाम रहता, फिजिकल फिट रहता, यू गेट इट. 3 बताया. फोर्थ, आसाम राइफल्स. फिफ्थ, इंडो टिबेटन बॉर्डर फोर्स. 6th, सशस्त्र सेना बल. एंड 7th, आई एम मिसिंग आउट 1. चलो मेरे साथ बोलो और एक बार. क्या क्या बोला? पहला क्या बोला? हाँ, 7th is BSF, Border Security Force. BSF. How many sisters I spoke about? Girls. दिस इज कनेक्टेड विद साइबर। इससे पहले का पीपीटी था, उसमें ये नहीं था, नया पीपीटी में मैंने साइबर ऐड किया। नेक्स्ट, रोबोटिक्स, देन ड्रोन्स। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो अबाउट एविएशन? How many of you are aware of aviation? How many of you know the difference between aviation, aerospace and avionics? How many of you know about Chandrayaan? हाँ, चंद्रयान से सबसे ज़्यादा लोग कहाँ से गए? TKM, Tamil Kunnu Muslier. It is a college in Kerala. And do you know that UAE started a big project called Al Rashada, and they said only Emirati can join. Nobody from other country can join that space program. So now it is very important that you join a space program. Space exploration is important. Either you are in aviation, or you are in astrophysics, or you are in avionics. You have to be very well aware of. Tomorrow we are going to talk about this in another college, but this is very important for children who are doing their final year engineering. And also data science. Data is the need of the day. Those who have done their data science, major or minor, will get a job. Next slide. So this is what I say, school going kids. घर पे जाके अपने बच्चों को बताओ, what is the full form of RMS? Boys, at least the full form. Boys, RMS का full form. राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल. कर्नाटका में कितने जगह पे है राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल? 2 जगह, बैंगलोर और बेलगाम. सैनिक स्कूल कर्नाटक में कितना है? सारे स्टेट में एक है, कर्नाटका में 2 है. It is in Belgaum, it is in Bijapur, it is also in Coorg. Also Agniveer awareness. These are all Agniveer. Agniveer Vayu or SSR or XY, Airman X or Airman Y is a course which is being offered by the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force for anybody who has lesser marks, lesser intelligence. They are not officers, but one step below the officer. So once you join, one step below the officer, later on you can become an officer. It is an easy way to join. Agniveer was a big controversy because 200 crore property was lost because of that scheme. But more children from Maharashtra and Karnataka are entering into Agniveer. So Agniveer, everybody should do the propaganda and marketing that our children, they make only TikTok videos in our mohalla, in our community hall, in our places of worship. They are not doing anything. They are just roaming around. Those people who have done the 12th, if they give a simple exam, if they are physically fit, not like me, they are easily selected into Agniveer Vayu or Airman X or Airman Y in Air Force or SSR in the Navy. Next exam, which I spoke about today, I think I cleared almost everything from Baba Atomic Research Center, ISRO, DRDO, Officers Training Academy, to JAG, to CAPF, everything. Now, coming back again, like how you become a police constable. From a police constable, you can become an Indian officer. That particular entry is called ACC, Army Cadet College. उस कॉलेज में आप 10th के बाद जा सकते हैं, 12th के बाद जा सकते हैं. After 10th or 12th, slowly once you enter the system, if you are a police constable, you become a commissioner. Similarly, the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, from a lower rank, you can go to the highest rank. You can become the commandant also. Next slide. Back. But for that reason, this is very important. What is important? Read loudly, all of you. A nation that kya? Empowers its teachers. Bolo. Secures its future. We should have the best kind of teachers in our education system. Which is the country which has the best education system? Are bolo, which is the country which has the best education system? Finland. Finland में क्यों? Teachers the highest paid. घंटों का काम मिनटों में करने वाले teachers चाहिए. I do the teacher training. Every teacher has to understand that they have to get trained. अच्छा डॉक्टर नहीं बना, एक पेशेंट मरेगा. अच्छा इंजीनियर नहीं बना, एक ब्रिज गिरेगा. अच्छा लॉयर नहीं बना, एक आदमी फांसी को चढ़ेगा. अच्छा टीचर नहीं बना ना, तो सोसाइटी का सत्यानाश है. हमारे एक मौलाना है, मौलाना यूनुस रहमतुल्लाह अलैह, बहुत बड़े अल्लाह वाले थे. वो जिस मस्जिद में इमामत करते थे, उस मस्जिद के मुअज्जिन बूढ़ा आदमी था. वो अजान देता था, अजान. हमने भी नो अजान मानो. और उसका वॉइस इतना अच्छा नहीं था. वो खरखर आवाज में अजान देता था. तो मस्जिद का प्रेसिडेंट ने बोला, मुअज्जिन साहब अच्छा आवाज आना चाहिए, सुबह सुबह आवाज खरखर आवाज आता. हिज आंसर वाज, मैं 600 रुपए में मोहम्मद रफी का आवाज नहीं निकाल सकता. What was the answer? बोलो ना, 600 रुपए में मोहम्मद रफी का आवाज नहीं सिखा सकता. उसी तरह से teachers should be well paid. Teachers should be of the best quality. And you have to become teachers. आप सलासम को अल्लाह ने मौलिक बना के भेजा. After your graduation, apply for teachers post in all engineering colleges. Name of the exam is called ITEP. They even need teachers as instructors in the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, but you cannot go there without giving an SSB interview. Next. So I spoke about Saini School, I spoke about RMS, I spoke about RMC. Now I'll speak about RMC. RMC is one of the toughest exams in the whole world. पूरे वर्ल्ड में चाइना बोलता है there is an exam called Gaokao. Type Gaokao, all of you. Boys, girls, type Gaokao. G-A-O-K-A-O. Type that. G-A-O-K-O. It is one of the toughest exam. पूरा चाइना बंद रहता है. Helicopter dad, tiger mom का concept वहाँ से start हुआ. And in the 6th standard, if that particular boy or girl in China, they don't qualify for that exam, they don't get a good college or school. I say RIMC is the best exam, toughest exam in the whole world. It is conducted when you are in 6th standard. It is in Dehradun. Only one boy is chosen from one particular state. I want all your brothers, sisters to give that exam. It is one of the toughest. So if you crack the toughest exam, Kerala government is giving a scholarship of 1 lakh. If somebody clears RMC exam. So see that all our children are sitting for that exam. Why? I'll tell later on. Okay, now for the BRE group, in Maharashtra, sir, there is SPI and GSPI. It is called Service Preparatory Institute for boys, which is in Aurangabad, now they call it Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. And for girls, it is in Nasik. And it is called GSPI for girls. And the head of that is Colonel Major Firasat. I'll see that next time whenever you call me, I'll bring her here. She is a colonel and she heads this unit there. Now what do they do? After 10th standard, they conduct an exam. 10,000 people give that exam in Maharashtra, out of which they select only 320. After interview, 60 boys and 40 girls are selected, so that children from Maharashtra are able to become officers in the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. Now this particular concept is there in Maharashtra. It is not there in Karnataka. Kejriwal started it in Delhi. In Punjab it was already there. Kejriwal started it in the name of Colonel Bhagat Singh. So I would request you, either Kodi or here, you can apply to the government and get a SPI or GSPI for Karnataka. That can be done. Next. So again for BRE side said that they should have an NCC center here. NCC Army, NCC Navy, NCC Air Force, and one more new thing has come up. Whatever may be, let it start that next year we should get an NCC center here. Because the moment you finish your NCC certificate, you have been directly called for Army, Navy, Air Force. Next. So these are 25% detention. You don't get pension here. This is a short service commission. But if you join Indian Army through Agniveer, you get a salary of 40,000. Who will pay 40,000 for a boy who has just finished 12th standard? For 3 years, he's paid 40,000, 10,000 rupees increment every year. After 3 years, he's not selected. Only 25% are retained. 75% are thrown out. They get around 20 lakh rupees for the exit. और अगर शहीद हो गया तो 1 करोड़ रुपया मिलता है. तो also think about it. इसका PPT share करेंगे सिनान सर and show it to others and ask them to enter through Agniveer. जोर से बोलो. जोर से बोलो. Thank you. Next. So I spoke about NDA. NDA is the toughest exam, the only exam conducted by UPSC at a pre-graduate level. 8 lakh children sit for that exam. 8 lakh. Out of which 8,000 children pass the written exam. जिसमें 300 marks का maths है and 600 marks of GAT है. In GAT you have to study 200 marks of English, 200 marks of physics, chemistry, biology, and 200 marks of history, civics, geography, politics, social science. Now out of that 8 lakh, only 8,000 clear the written exam. After the written exam, every 6 months, after 5-day interview, 800 are selected, 800. Out of that 800, only 400 after the physical fitness. उस 400 में से every 6 months, 8 to 10 students are from my class. This year 54 students cleared the written exam. So I do that for my bread and butter. And I also coach for technical entry. I need all final year graduates can fill their I need form for Navy. Because you will not go to North. Navy is in Kerala only, Cochin or Erimala, Kannur. So please, Mangaloreans, fill up the form. INEET is a very good opportunity for you. If you want to become a pilot in the Indian Air Force, there is an exam which happens only once in a lifetime. If you fail, you can never be a pilot in the Indian Army Air Force. It is a test called CPSS. It's like playing a video game. But once you clear that exam, that particular certificate will be valid for you to become an Air Force officer. Next. So, I also spoke about MNS. How many of you understood MNS, girls? Girls, how many of you understood MNS? इंडिया के लिए 40 ही सीट है, सीडीएस के लिए भी 40 सीट है, एनसीसी के लिए भी 5 सीट है। 5 में से पहला सीट गोस टू जिसका शहीद हुआ, घर में से किसी का शहीद हुआ, बाकी 4 ओपन है। गर्ल्स के लिए कम सीट है, तो गर्ल्स के लिए एक अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी इंडियन आर्मी नेवी एयरफोर्स के लिए, दैट इज एमएनएस। से लाउडली एमएनएस, लाउडली। सी दैट whatever you have heard here, go and tell your sisters who are studying in 11, 12, those who are studying for NEET, ask them to write this exam. What is the name of the exam? MNS, Military Nursing Service. Next. So I told you that you can also become military police even after 10th standard. One thing I forgot. Coast Guard. कितने लोगों को Coast Guard पता है? Coast Guard. Now Bangalore is also post. So there is a different set of exam after 10th, after 12th, after graduation for Coast Guard people. So those who are Coast Guard should also know. सर मैम अपना भी पैम्पलेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो ना, कुछ पूछेंगे हो? किधर है आपके पास? दे दो ना। अच्छा, how many of you have known about this RVC? Anybody would tell me what is RVC? Very interesting. अरे आर्मी में घोड़ा होता है ना, घोड़ा। अरे आर्मी में घोड़ा होता है, हाथी होता है, पता है आपको? डॉग्स होते हैं, डॉग स्क्वाड होता है, पिजन्स होते हैं, उनका रखवाली करना उसको आरवीसी बोलते हैं, रिबाउंड वेटरनरी कॉप्स। तो somebody एमबीबीएस नहीं किया लेकिन एनिमल डॉक्टर बना। क्या बना है? जोर से बोलो, अरे जोर से बोलो, एनिमल डॉक्टर बना है, वो भी जा सकता है इंडिया के आर्मी नेवी एयरफोर्स। ये बात कितने लोगों को पहली बार मालूम पड़ा? रेज योर हैंड्स, प्लीज कन्वे द मैसेज। सम ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स, sisters, brothers who have done their veterinary, they can give the exam and they can become officers in the Indian Army Navy Air Force. Yes or no? Next. Meteorology बताया है sir. Sinan sir, it is for you. University entry scheme. After your final exam, till the age of pre-final or final year students can age from 18 to 24. All technical and executive branches for Army and Navy can be done for any engineering graduate. It is called University Entry Scheme. What is that called as? University Entry Scheme. Next. So this is an upgrade. पहले नहीं था, अभी आया है. Components commission is there for junior commissioned officers. So you can become a special commissioned officer. It is an internal promotion pathway. Once you join as a soldier, you can become an officer later on. Next. So for engineers, this being an engineering college and most of the audience are engineers, remember the best thing for you is DRDO, BRC and ISRO. Say loudly. DRDO, then BRC and ISRO. What is the full form of BRC? Baba Atomic Research Center. What is the full form of ISRO? Indian Space Research Organization. Next. Acha, back. How many of you know this? Python आता है Python? Python पढ़ रहे क्या नहीं Python? और ये machine learning subject है. Cyber analytics, GIS mapping. So this is all important. जिसने उसमें तक स्पेशलाइजेशन किया ना, उसको भी जॉब मिलता है. स्पेशली इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस. हाँ, अभी का न्यू नोटिफिकेशन आया, मैंने अभी ऐड किया. ये अभी रिसेंट रिक्वायरमेंट है. हाउ मेनी पीपल दे वांट? रिसेंट रिक्वायरमेंट विद इन 6 months. हाउ मेनी पीपल दे वांट? 152. हाउ मेनी फॉर द EWS कैटेगरी, इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शन? हाउ मेनी? हाउ मेनी फ्रॉम इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शंस? 35. OBC 38, SC ST 40. So when there is an entry through DRDO, there is reservation. So many of you have not made up your EWS form. What is the EWS का certificate called? बोलो. economically weaker section. If your income is less than 8 lakh rupees, make a certificate called EWS. If you have EWS certificate, how many of you have an EWS certificate here? है EWS बनाते हैं सर? या बनाते हैं ना? EWS बनाते हैं तो जॉब में भी फायदा होता है, डेफिनेटली फायदा होता है. हाँ, ये क्या पढ़ा लिखा लिखा बोलो, जोर से बोलो. हर स्टूडेंट एक क्या है? जोर से बोलो. हर स्टूडेंट क्या है? एक कहानी है, समझने की नहीं, क्या समझाने की. भगवान ने, अल्लाह ने, सबको, खुदा ने अलग बनाया. इवन इफ योर ट्विन्स, तुम्हारा फिंगरप्रिंट भी मैच नहीं करता. जब तुम्हारा फिंगरप्रिंट मैच नहीं करता, थॉट प्रोसेस कैसे मैच होगा? तो सबको अलग अलग टैलेंट दिया है. R.W. Emerson in his poem says, talents differ, all is well and wisely put. It is a figure of speech called aphorism, and I call myself an aphorist. Aphorist उसको बोलते हैं जो कोई भी चीज को कम टाइम में समझाता है. अभी मैंने कम टाइम में पूरा डिफेंस समझाया. तो समझना चाहिए हमको कि हमको करना क्या है, मेरा स्किल सेट्स क्या है. अगर मेरा स्किल सेट्स मैच नहीं होता और मैं कुछ और ही कर रहा हूँ, उसमें कामयाबी नहीं मिलेगा. हम यहाँ सीन 3 Idiots, हाँ, तो वो सुसाइड करने वाले से ऐसा मत बनो, ऐसा वाला मत बनो. अगर उसको फोटोग्राफी पसंद है, डिजिटल पसंद है, लेट हिम डू दैट. How many of you have heard about AR? मैं AR रहमान की बात नहीं कर रहा. AR is called augmented reality. What is AR called? Loudly. Augmented reality. What is VR called? Virtual reality. What is XR called? Anybody tells me what is XR? अरे इंजीनियरिंग बच्चे लोग बोलो. AR VR सुना, XR सुना क्या? नहीं सुना तो गूगल करो. मैं पहले ही बोला गूगल करना पाप नहीं है. XR means what? XR means extended reality. Chat GPT आने के बाद अभी extended reality है. How many of you know that there is an institute called in Pune? It is called Film Television Institute of India. उसका भी एंट्रेंस होता है. अनिल कपूर को नहीं मिला, कर्नाटका का गिरीश कर्नाड को मिला. तो फिल्म टेलीविजन ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट में एक्टर बनने नहीं जाते हैं, वहां पे टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट बनने जाते हैं. उसका भी एंट्रेंस होता है. मेरे पैम्पलेट में उसके बारे में मैंने बात किया. सदम मैम, we have missed FTI. Film Television Institute of India is also in Calcutta. It is run by Satyajit Ray. Anybody who is an engineer who has got aesthetics can become a Rasul Pukuti. Who is Rasul Pukuti? A.R. रहमान का एक पिक्चर था स्लमडॉग बिलियनर. कितने लोगों ने देखा? वो स्लमडॉग बिलियनर का साउंड इफेक्ट्स लाने वाला आदमी था रसूल पुकुटी. He has studied from FTI. He's got an Oscar. So you can do that also. That is another field. Next. See, आर्मी के अलग अलग यूनिट्स होते हैं. उसमें एक जो वेपन्स बनाने का यूनिट है ना, that is called ordnance. So you can also make weapons. जैसे ECE है ना, वैसे EME भी होता है. सर्विस सिलेक्शन बोर्ड, ये 5 दिन का इंटरव्यू है और वो 5 दिन के इंटरव्यू में आपको इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट देखा जाता है. There is a ground test, there is a psychology test, there are mock interviews, there is called SRT, situation reaction test, WAT, word association test, there is TAT, thematic apperception test. आपको आपका माइंडसेट बनाना पड़ेगा. 5 दिन का इंटरव्यू इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है. आजकल अडानी भी, अंबानी भी किसी को हायर करना ना, यही मॉडल पे इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट कर रहा है. Bangalore airport, I saw Adani is there. If they hire somebody, they are hiring people through this process only. Instead of 5-day interview, it is 1-day interview. But whatever they are doing, that hiring scheme is from this particular mode. Next. अच्छा, back. Physicals होते हैं यहाँ पे. सुबह रनिंग करते क्या नहीं रनिंग करते? कम से कम तुमको इतना फिजिकल होना चाहिए. 3 to 5 kilometer of run up, push ups. That is very important. And please, this is the sites from where I have taken. At least name the site. What is the site name? जोर से बोलो. From nursery to जोर से. Every year, every class should get a career counseling. Next. बनाया बर्तन पहला उठाएगा. तो careers are crafted and what बोलो? Calibrated according to a skill, according to the intelligence levels that Almighty has given you. And also बोलो जोर से बोलो. Curated. बिल्डिंग का स्लैब डाला, 21 days पानी देना पड़ता. 21 days पानी नहीं दिया और डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट किया दूसरा स्लैब बनाना, चलेगा क्या? Curation is very important. If you are not curating your career, you are missing out. पढ़ाई एक ही बार होती है. 5 साल पढ़ो, 50 साल ऐश करो. लेकिन 5 साल में क्या पढ़ना, इसका करियर काउंसलिंग होना जरूरी है. इंडिया को आज मेरे जैसा 25 लाख करियर काउंसलर की जरूरत है. 25 lakh career counselors are needed. So you can also be a career counselor. If you like what I speak, if you like to travel, if you like to gather knowledge, you can be like me. I can train you. So 25 lakh career counselors are required. That is also very important. Next. Thank you. I have got Anis Defense Institute called by the name Anis Media in Dubai also. I hope I could convey a lot of things. If you have missed out, you can, I am sharing my PPT. You can watch me on any social media. Any questions that you want to ask?
If the students are having any questions, you are most welcome to ask any questions to sir. Yes. Volunteers, please take the mic.
Engineering sectors, is there any medical test that need to be done?
Medical test?
7, minus 1.25.
So if it is not more than minus 3.5, you are selected. See, what medical tests were written on the website, it is 50 years old. Now medical science has become so advanced, everything is cured. Even if you have specs, we can do laser therapy. If you are sweating on your arms, that can also be treated. Only thing, if you have a hole in your heart, you are not selected.
Okay.
But the major defects all can be cured. Or if you have got flat foot, that can also be cured. What I feel is, in the 50 years, what was written back by the Britishers, everything is advanced now. Only thing that is not possible is hole in a heart. That particular boy or girl is not taken.
Sir, what about other organs?
That is not a problem.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
That's not a problem. I feel that's not a problem. Height is a problem, but I don't find you're of an average height. Somebody is very short, they will not be taken.
Good afternoon, friends. I was rather worried when I was inviting Mr. Anis Kuti, how our students is going to behave or react. So I must tell you that you have no, what do you call, you have what is that? What is the word? You have participated fully, and your interaction was excellent, especially the boys. Unfortunately, the girls were not up to the mark. Why this time it happened, I really don't know. But otherwise, generally our girls used to offbeat the boys. But this time I don't know what happened.
Share my number.
Yeah.
The most number of questions will come from girls.
From them. No, but then communication is important. I told you, sir, for information, Anissa, this year we started influenza. Influenza, where Saturday last class, in every colleges, in every class, they will talk about communication. And they select the subject and they talk. So that's how we want to improve. This is important. Especially the Anis Bhai, the way he was interacted, not like a third party, not like a third person. So you should pose a question. And the question not necessarily has to be in a top class. Question is a question. And by the virtue of answer, you will gauge how good is your question. You understand? By virtue of answer, like in ChatGPT, the way you pose the question, based on that, you get the result. So it is not a question, it is a result, it is an answer at the end of the day. Okay? So now, thank you once again for all those students who attended and all the participation, and our faculty member also, especially for Sinan and our Dr. Manzoor Basha and all the faculty heads and the faculty member and non-teaching staff, because we have been busy from last almost 1 month for the yesterday's program of graduation. And naturally, when Sunday comes, it is all holiday for you, putting some oil and massage and being with the family. So I have snatched that out from you. So you really worked a great deal. So thank you once again. And I would like to commit from the Barry's Academy of Learning few things. I'm praying to God that may God make it happen. One is, we will start, inshallah, the NCC camp in our college. Okay? Coming forward, we will have a NCC camp here. So for both boys and girls, that's the first thing. Number two, we will try to get one colonel, from the army, who will station here as an administrative head. Plus, he will also guiders and handholders, in respect of the different joining in the defense sector and all other aspects. So this is our second commitment. But second commitment is back to back. To get the colonel is your, that help you have to give us. You select and you go ahead. Okay, and whatever the salary you need to pay, we will pay. He will come, he will stay here, he will be a part of our, extended family. Second. Third one is, we have counseling, but not in a very structured manner. So I think we need to have a counseling center, 24/7. Because unless and until we advise you how to go about, unless and until you know the path forward, it becomes very, very difficult. More often it becomes a exercise in futility. And by the time you realize, time is already over. So I think the counseling center also, inshallah, we will, start on that. One aspect really triggered me is the double graduation at the same time. I think that is where all the girls and the boys should focus on. Now itself you must focus on how to get that, after all, question of 3,000 rupee. You pay 3,000, make the entry and crack the exam and get hold of IIT Madras. And to be honest with you, the fact is BIT cannot reach to IIT at all. IIT is IIT, BIT is BIT. Okay, but this is a golden opportunity. Government of India, as per the new education policy, they have given to all the student community. It's a fantastic opportunity. You must grab it. So this is my appeal to all of you. What is the other thing we discussed, sir? We said NCC, we said counseling, we said Colonel Saab in the here, and what else? SSB.
Once the colonel comes, he will do this. One officer comes, he will do this.
Then he will take care of that. Yeah. So this is our commitment.
I want to just rectify. After paying 3,000, you have got selected. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry cannot join IIT. Paying 3,000 is the admission fee for the test.
Yeah, obviously.
You have to clear the exam, and then there is fees also.
Certain.
But the fees for girls it is different. For SC, ST it is different. For EBC it is different. EWS is different.
I see.
Because somebody has donated 6,500 crore rupees to IIT Chennai. So that is the reason they are able to do this program.
Okay, great.
Alma mater donation is good.
Yeah. So I think, now the last thing, I kept it for the last. The most important thing I kept it for the last. Mandur Saab, we will request Anish Kuti Saab in our governing council. We need to really take him in our governing council and call him more often. So we should have some kind of a, memorandum of understanding, and so that we can always rely on him and he will support us. Your support is very, very important to make it really worthwhile. Thank you once again, Anil Saab. You have done a great job. I have no word enough to thank you. And mashallah, I was also wondering, with all that, even though I know you for so many years, I never seen this part of your life. The way you interacted with the student and made it more, not dialogue, more than a monologue. I really liked. And then you have a kind of a tenacity you have. Tenacity of taking the children, vibing with the children. So that is perhaps is God's gift. So I pray God Almighty to make our effort easy, make our journey meaningful, successful, and virtuous for this world and hereafter. Good luck. God bless. Thank you. And I need to talk about Madam Sadaf. The Sadaf के बारे में बोलने के लिए सदफ मैडम के बारे में बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हमारी सारा वहाँ है. See the output, the input is here. By virtue of output, I can understand how great is the input is. So the Sara Peer Boy, right? The surname is Peer Boy. The Sara Peer Boy, such a young little girl, what all she has done already. She is in the first year of engineering, like most of you. But she reached to Harvard. She got scholarship, and she got letter from 20 great institutions. Do you imagine? 20 great institutions. And then she's already into IIT Chennai, IIT Madras. That is what we need to see. I really see going forward, she'll be one of the pole stars, inshallah, moving forward. So thank you, Sarah. My granddaughter also, Sarah. She spoke yesterday in the same platform. And once again, thank you so much, and God bless.
Thank you, sir. I request our esteemed resource person, Mr. Anes Kuti, to receive a token of appreciation from our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Syed Mohammad Bari. Before closing, I would like to give some instructions.
Honorable resource person of this session, respected chairman and all the dignitaries on the dais and students. As we conclude this program, I would like to express the heartfelt gratitude to the resource person and all the stakeholders of these programs. First of all, Honorable resource person of the day, Mr. Anes Kuti sir. Sir, we thank on behalf of the management, faculties and everyone gathered here for sharing your valuable insights and giving clear-cut awareness on the recruitment process and the selection examination of the defense forces. I also thank Honorable Chairman of the institution, Syed Mohammad Bari sir, on behalf of us for motivating each and every child to the defense force. I also would like to thank Dr. Sadaf, the administrator of ADCI. Madam, your presence also have given a special beauty to this program. As well as I also would like to thank Dr. Manzoor Bashar, the principal of Baris Engineering College, Professor Sinan sir, and all the faculty members who have worked tirelessly since so many days to the success of this program. And also I would like to thank the students who have joined this program in between of your all other study works, who are really causing for the success of this program. And I wish once again all the success for the students. May Almighty bless you all. Thank you once again.